Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation course series. In this video, we'll explore how to access, customize, and manage dashboards to visualize and analyze your organization's data effectively. Let's get started. Dashboards in uKnowva HRMS offer a dynamic way to visualize and analyze your organization's data, categorized as per various functions or modules. To access your dashboard, go to the left menu bar and click Dashboard. This opens the dashboard interface, where you can view graphs and statistics representing data like sales, employee productivity, or project completion rates. To filter the dashboard view, click the funnel icon at the top right corner. Here, you can apply filters like designation, department, gender, employment status, and month year. Click Search to apply filters, save applied filter to store them, or reset to clear all filters. To view dashboards for specific functions or modules, click the Graph Stats menu button on the left side. This reveals submenus like HR Analytics, Attendance Analytics, Workflow Dashboards, and more. Click on any analytics report to view detailed insights. Know that each such dashboard is connected to the reports generated within the system. Therefore, the data highlighted here is fetched from the said reports. In fact, you can now generate a summary for each of these analytical insights on the dashboard by clicking the Regenerate Summary button located at the top right corner, just above the section of the graphs. You can also click on the pen icon next to an analytical report to change the name of that category. To analyze data over a specific period, use the timeline field at the top of the dashboard page. Choose predefined options like today, last 30 days, or this month, or create a custom range. To add new charts or graphs to your dashboard, click the plus Add More button at the top right corner of the dashboard's page. This opens a new interface where you can configure the graph. In the Basics section, enter details like name, description, category, and graph type. When you click on the drop-down menu from the graph type, select graphs like statistics, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, stacked bar chart, bell curve, heat map, tree map, and others. In the Data Source section, select a view. The view here is connected to the ones created for the reports that you add in the system. In case you want to create a new view, go back to the Report chapter and learn how to create a new view. The same then will be highlighted here in the drop-down menu to fetch the data from. Refine data using parameters like columns, record limit, and custom where clause. These parameters keep changing according to the graphs you select from the graph type. For example, for the statistics graph, you need to fill columns, custom column query, record limit. When you select a bar chart, the data source section asks you to add information like columns, X and Y axis column names, and values to be filled separately, and a record limit for the entries to be shown in these columns. At the end, you can also select whether you want to have multiple graphs in this chart or not. If you select yes, then the next option named Multiple Graph setting opens up. Here you can add data from another view for this additional graph. Fill an additional title, dashboard type like line or scattered, column X and Y data value, aggregate function to know what type of values to be displayed in this graph. Further, you can order and assemble this additional graph using the Group By, Order By dir columns along with Custom, where for writing the query to make advanced adjustments in the graph. In the Design section, customize the graph's appearance with options like gradient color, icon, and custom JavaScript. Use toggle options to hide the chart, vertical totals, or horizontal totals, or mark it as published. In the Report Settings section, link the dashboard to a report column for better visualization. Once configured, or submit to save it. To edit a statistic or graph, hover over it and click the pen icon. This opens an editable interface where you can update settings in sections like Basic, Data Source, Design, and Report Setting. After making changes, click Submit to save or Preview to check the updated view. To duplicate a statistic or graph, hover over it and click the clipboard icon. This creates a copy where you can make modifications before saving it with the Submit button. For additional options to export graphs, click the three-line menu icon next to a selected graph. Here, you can view the graph in full screen, print the chart, download it in formats like PNG, JPEG, PDF, SVG, CSV, or XLS. View the data table for underlying figures. And that's it. You've now learned how to access, customize, and manage dashboards in uKnowva HRMS. These tools help you visualize data, track trends, and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.